It's Isaac with Isaac's Trades. Let's talk about Fcel. For those of you that have been living under a rock for the past 2 years, Fcel is a hydrogen company supplying hydrogen fuel cells. They do a bunch of other shit. All we need to know is they're about to run it up. They've just hired even more workers. They got a lot of good things going on at Fcel. I don't know if a lot of people remember, but back in 2000, the only reason why I remember was because I used to be in the automotive industry, and hydrogen was the big hype back then. And Fcel was the runner-up, believe it or not. Fcel ran it up some $300-400. It was something wild. But if you look at the charts, we had a little bit of a rough, 2 months, 3 months. But if anybody's been in Fcel, they know how it's been. I can tell just by looking at the charts that you guys, I mean, as long as you've held, I guess you can't go wrong at Fcel. Even if you've held when it, in the beginning of the pandemic, you would be freaking great. If you had just grumped in the end of the year at 550, you would still be good right now. You'd still be up a good 116%. But what I'm looking at is this nice consolidation right here, and this one right here. Baby, I'm loving this ascending channel right here. Brace with me, people. This is still learning all of this. Just always been interested in the stock market, but I'm finally getting my toes wet. But yeah, here we go. I knew I'd find it somewhere. But we have a nice downward ascending channel support on this last day. And surprisingly, I guess Thursday wasn't too bad for Fcel. I have one call option that is coming back to life. I think it's like a $27 call option. Paid $285 for it. But yeah, I'm expecting Monday should see some pretty big, pretty interesting things for Fcel. There's one more thing I wanted to talk about. Yeah, Bill Gates and some other investment company is investing in hydrogen-powered aircrafts. $24.3 million in new investment. Investors include funds backed by Bill Gates, Microsoft fame, Hong Kong billionaire Lee Kang-fing. Not too many people are talking about Bill Gates, but as we all know, Bill Gates is big on going green. He's actually liquidating a lot of his stocks right now to pump into green stocks, and I would not be too surprised if he doesn't grab Fcel along with those other green stocks, because we really don't have too many hydrogen ones here in the States. Unless you're going to go to third world countries or China and believe them. Fcel might have started out as high hopes, but them hopes are getting somewhere nowadays. Fcel looks very promising. I don't really know a lot about the Fcel. Not Fcel. I know a lot about the company and what they do. I just don't understand. I don't know a whole lot about hydrogen. Hell, just, I know it's very combustive, and Elon Musk uses this shit, so it has to be good. Run it. This is just my prediction. The way the stock market's been acting with all this volatility, it's like a damn casino. Just remember to pick the ones that have been around, and ride the hype, sell the news. Tsla hasn't really said much on their end. Financials look decent. This infrastructure bill is going to be huge for them. But yeah, anyways, comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, help me grow my channel. Give me some criticism in the comments. Talk some crap to me or whatever. I love it. Anyways, take care.